Hello, everyone. Welcome to Podcast Your English, episode 44. I'm Eva, and I'm so excited to be here with you today.
Hi folks, I'm Daniel, and yeah, Eva, this is going to be fun. Our topic is simple family conversations before New Year. Perfect for this time of year, right? We're going to chat like friends, share some easy English talks that happen in families as New Year approaches. And remember, this is for beginners, levels A1 to A2, so we'll keep it simple and slow.
Exactly, Daniel. We'll pretend we're a family getting ready for New Year. But first, let's say hi properly. How are you feeling about the holidays, Daniel?
Oh, I'm thrilled. Thrilled means very excited. Key phrase, I'm thrilled about the new year. It makes me think of family gatherings, sitting around the table talking about plans.
Yes, gatherings. That's a good word. It means when people come together. So, let's start with a simple family conversation. Imagine mom and dad talking about decorations. Decorations are things like lights or trees that make the house pretty.
Right. Mom says, honey, we need to put up the decorations. Put up means to hang or place them. Dad replies, sure, let's do it this weekend. Simple, right? Key phrase, put up the decorations. It helps make the house festive. Festive means happy and celebratory.
Festive. Love that word. Now, what about kids in the family? A little brother might say, Mom, can we buy fireworks? Fireworks are those colorful explosions in the sky. Mom could answer, maybe, but be careful. Keyword, fireworks. They're fun but loud.
Loud like my uncle's jokes. Be careful, that's an important phrase. It means watch out or stay safe. Okay, let's role play a bit. I'll be the dad, you're the mom. We're planning the New Year's Eve dinner.
Great. As mom, what should we cook for New Year's Eve? New Year's Eve is the night before January 1st.
As dad, how about roast chicken and salad? It's easy and delicious. Roast means to cook in the oven. Key phrase, how about? It's a nice way to suggest something.
Yum! Delicious means tastes really good. And the kids join in. Can we have cake too? Cake, everyone's favorite. Dad says, of course, with candles. Candles are those wax sticks that burn.
Of course, that's a friendly way to agree. Now think about resolutions. Resolutions are promises you make for the new year, like, I will exercise more.
Yes, in a family chat, sister says, my resolution is to learn English better. Brother laughs, mine is to eat less candy, maybe. That's a joke because who really wants less candy?
Good one, Eva. Resolution, keyword, it's from resolve, meaning to decide firmly. Family might encourage, that's great, you can do it. Encourage means to give support.
You can do it. Motivational phrase. Now, before New Year, families often clean the house. Clean means to make tidy and dust-free.
True. Grandma says, let's clean the living room. Living room is where you relax. Grandson replies, okay, I'll vacuum the floor. Vacuum means to use that machine to suck up dirt.
Vacuum. Fun word to say. Key phrase. Clean the house. It symbolizes a fresh start. Fresh start means beginning anew.
Symbolizes, that's a bit advanced, but for A2, it means represents. Haha, like how I symbolize fun in this podcast. Now, shopping for gifts. Gifts are presents you give.
Shopping. Going to stores or online to buy. Dad asks, what gift for Auntie? Mom, a scarf. It's cozy. Cozy means warm and comfortable.
Scarf, that neck wrap. Key phrase, what gift for, helps in planning. And don't forget countdown. Countdown is counting backwards to midnight. 10, 9, 8.
Exciting! Family shouts, Happy New Year at midnight. Happy New Year, the classic greeting.
Classic means traditional. Now, let's imagine a full family dialogue. I'll be brother Tim, your sister Anna. Parents are joining.
As Anna, Tim, are you excited for New Year?
As Tim, yes, excited means happy and eager. What about you?
I'm planning my outfit. Outfit is clothes you wear, a new dress.
Cool. Mom, what's for dinner?
Switching to mom, we're having turkey and potatoes. Turkey is a big bird we eat on holidays.
As dad, And champagne for adults. Champagne is bubbly wine.
Bubbly means with bubbles. Kid says, "Can I have juice?"
Sure. Now let's talk traditions. Traditions are things we do every year, like watching fireworks.
Or singing Old Lang Syne. That's a song about old times.
Song, keyword. Family, should old acquaintance be forgot? Haha, but we might mess it up.
Mess it up means make mistakes. Funny. Now, reflecting on the year. Reflecting means thinking back.
Mom says, what was your favorite moment this year? Favorite means best liked.
Kid says, "My birthday party." Party, celebration with friends.
Good memories. Memories are things you remember.
Now for New Year wishes. Wishes are hopes, like, "I wish you health."
Health means being well, not sick. Key phrase, best wishes for the new year.
Best wishes, polite and warm.
Warm like hot chocolate. Families might discuss travel. Travel means going places.
Are we visiting grandparents? Visiting means going to see.
Yes, on January 1st. Grandparents are mom's or dad's parents.
Lovely. Now, budget talks. Budget is money plan.
Dad says we need to budget for gifts, means not spend too much.
Smart. Keyword, budget.
And weather chats. Weather is rain, snow, etc.
Will it snow on New Year? Snow, white, fluffy stuff.
Hope so. It's magical.
Magical means like magic. Hope, keyword, means wish for.
Now, pet talks. If there's a dog, don't scare the dog with fireworks.
Scare means frighten. Poor puppy.
Puppy is baby dog. My dog hides under the bed.
Cute. Now, health resolutions. I'll eat more vegetables.
Vegetables like carrots, broccoli.
Healthy choice.
Now let's think about International New Year's, but keep it simple. In some places, they eat grapes at midnight.
Grapes, small fruits, for good luck.
Luck means good fortune.
Fun fact.
Fact means true info.
Now, back to family. Let's make cookies. Cookies, sweet treats.
Make means bake or create.
With chocolate chips. Chips, small pieces.
Delicious.
Now, invitations. Invitations are asks to come over.
Invite friends. Come over means visit home.
Yes, for a party.
Party time.
Now, wrapping gifts. Wrapping means covering with paper.
Wrap carefully. Carefully means with care.
To surprise.
Surprise, unexpected joy.
Joy, happiness.
Now calendar checks. Calendar is date book.
New Year is Tuesday.
Tuesday, day of the week.
Plan accordingly.
Accordingly means based on that.
Now, thank you notes. After gifts, thank you for the toy.
Toy, plaything.
Polite.
Polite means nice manners.
Manners, behavior.
Now fireworks safety. Stand back.
Stand back, move away.
Safe.
Now, champagne toast. Toast is raising glass to a great year.
2, 4.
Cheers!
Cheers! Salud!
Now, hangover jokes. Hangover is headache after drinking.
Don't drink too much.
Moderation.
Moderation means not extreme.
Wise.
Wise means smart.
Now, family photos. Photos, pictures.
Smile for the camera.
Smile, happy face.
Cheese. Now, midnight kiss. Kiss, peck on cheek or lips.
Romantic.
Romantic means lovey.
For couples.
Couples, two people together.
Sweet.
Sweet means nice.
Now, confetti. Confetti, colorful paper bits.
Thrown at midnight.
Messy but fun.
Messy means not clean.
Clean up after.
Clean up, tidy up.
Teamwork.
Teamwork means working together.
Family bond.
Bond means connection.
Strong.
Now, let's wrap up with games. Games like charades.
Charades, acting out words.
Hilarious.
Hilarious means very funny.
Laughter.
Laughter, haha, sounds.
Best medicine.
Medicine, cure.
Now, bedtime stories. For kids, once upon a time.
Before New Year, maybe dreams of future.
Dreams, night thoughts, or hopes.
Positive.
Positive means good attitude.
Attitude, way of thinking.
Now, budget again. Save money for vacation.
Vacation, holiday trip.
Next year.
Exciting.
Let's add more chats. Aunt calls. What are your plans?
Plans, what you'll do.
family dinner and countdown.
Sounds perfect.
Perfect means ideal.
Ideal, best.
Now, weather op check. Check the forecast.
Forecast, future weather.
Sunny.
Great.
Now, recipe search. Recipe, cooking instructions.
Find a cake recipe.
Online or book.
Bake.
Bake means cook in oven.
Tasty.
Tasty means good flavor.
Flavor, taste.
Now, invitation reply. RSVP yes.
RSVP, respond, please.
Coming.
Yay!
Yay, happy sound.
Now decoration ideas. Lights on the tree.
Tree, Christmas or New Year tree.
Sparkly.
Sparkly means shiny.
Beautiful.
Beautiful means pretty.
Now gift exchange. Exchange, give and get.
Your turn.
Turn, time to go.
Open it.
Open, unwrap.
Surprise.
Now thank you hug. Hug, embrace.
Warm.
Affection.
Affection means love.
Family love.
Now, resolution list. List, write down.
1. Exercise.
2. Read books.
Achieve.
Achieve means succeed.
Yes.
Now, party hats. Hats on head.
Silly.
Silly means funny, stupid.
Laughter.
Now, music playlist. Playlist, song list.
Dance music.
Dance, move to rhythm.
Fun.
Rhythm, beat.
Groove.
Groove means move smoothly. Now, midnight snack. Snack, small food.
Cheese and crackers.
Crackers, crunchy biscuits.
Yummy.
Yummy means delicious.
Now reflection time. What did you learn this year?
Learn, gain knowledge.
Patience.
Patience, waiting calmly.
Valuable.
Valuable means important.
Now hope for peace. Peace, no war.
World peace.
Wish.
Now, pet costumes. Costumes, funny clothes.
Dog as reindeer.
Reindeer, deer with antlers.
Adorable.
Adorable means cute.
Photos.
Now, video call relatives. Relatives, family members.
Hi from afar.
Afar, far away.
Connect.
Connect means link.
Technology.
Technology, gadgets.
Helpful.
Helpful means useful.
Now countdown practice. 10, 9.
Practice, do to get better.
Ready.
Ready means prepared.
Midnight.
Boom.
Fireworks.
Colorful.
Colorful means many colors.
Spectacular.
Spectacular means amazing.
Amazing means wow.
Now after party clean. Wash dishes.
Dishes, plates, cups.
Team effort.
Effort means work.
Done.
Done means finished.
Sleepy.
Sleepy means tired.
Bedtime.
Bedtime, time to sleep.
Good night.
Good night, sleep well.
Dream sweet.
Dream sweet. Nice phrase.
Yes.
Wow, Eva, we've covered so many simple family conversations before New Year.
We have. Let's quickly review what we learned. We talked about decorations, putting them up to make the house festive, resolutions, promises like learning English or eating healthy, fireworks and countdowns for excitement, gifts, wrapping and thanking, cleaning the house for a fresh start, family dinners with roast chicken or cake.
Traditions like singing or toasts with champagne. Key phrases like how about, be careful, best wishes, you can do it, and Happy New Year.
And words like thrilled, cozy, magical, budget, cozy, hilarious, and more.
We had jokes about candy resolutions and scared dogs. Hope you laughed.
Absolutely. Now, practice these at home. Talk to your family in English about your New Year plans. Repeat the phrases, I'm thrilled, put up decorations, my resolution is. It will help you remember. Listen to this episode again and join us next time for more fun English.
Keep practicing, friends. You're doing great. Happy New Year from Podcast Your English.
Bye for now.